Hi, this 5-minute solution gonna show you how to change Gmail profile picture on iPhone. So I'm going to opening my Gmail app and tapping on my profile photo at the top right, tapping on manage your Google account, and here selecting personal info and tapping on profile picture. And now from Gmail app, you can't upload any profile photo from your phone gallery. As you can see, you can select any illustrations from this library, but here is no option to upload photos from gallery. So to change your Gmail account profile picture from iPhone, you have to open Google account on your browser. So go to your browser and type google.com and then click on your profile photo and select here the Google account where you want to add a new profile photo. Now just tap on manage your Google account. Once you are in this Google account page, tap on personal info and now tap on profile picture, tap on change and tap on device photos, continue, select photo library, and now you will be able to select a new profile photo from your gallery. So this is how we can change our Gmail profile picture on iPhone. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.